Guys, I've got some extremely alarming yet insightful news surrounding the FTX crash, and not your keys, not your crypto has never meant as much as it does now as it does today. I mean, it's absolutely crazy. What to know before the next FTX type meltdown, and I'm going to show you a bit of exposure around the crypto.com coin, which is also completely mind-blowing. So this video is really focused on educating you guys on the top crypto wallets and how you can secure your assets and keep them protected from centralized exchanges, because we do get these black swan events, these very anomalous events that do happen. And as much as a face, a CEO, someone putting their face on the media, acting like a trustworthy figure, it could always have a malicious or sort of mendacious premeditated purpose attached to it. So crypto wallet, look at this. Since the crash just a few days ago, this term has trended massively on Google. So people are scared. There is a lot of fear. People don't want to hold or keep money on exchanges anymore. They want to privatize their holdings. They want to make sure it is theirs. They own it, because effectively if your liquidity is on an exchange, you don't actually own it. You can look through a lot of legal terms and conditions here, but you don't actually own it. And I hold a lot of my crypto on exchanges, centralized exchanges too. I won't disclose which ones, of course, but I think it's important that we identify this. And look at this, absolutely crazy. This is the crazy bit of news I wanted to share with you guys. Exchanges have gone public with their reserves. This revealed that a big exchange holds 500 million in Shiba. So this is about crypto.com. The proof of reserves was revealed to be 2.7 billion, and here's how it's split. They've got Bitcoin in 32.2%, they've got Shiba in 20%. What is going on? And they've got Ethereum in 17.2%. So they have nearly basically $800 million, right, in volume, and 10 million in customer holds, 19.2% or 500 million of its reserves in a meme coin. And what's really crazy is we've seen Chris, the CEO of crypto.com, he's been putting his face out a lot recently, so maybe he didn't want this to get fully exposed without him trying to look like the good guy. I don't know, I mean, can you trust these people? Right now, the only person I trust in the centralized exchange world is CZ Binance, and also the CEO of Coinbase, and maybe a few others, but this is kind of crazy. This is really, really crazy in my honest opinion. So let's have a look at the top crypto wallets today. I'm going to make this really, really quick for you. Trezor reports 300% surge in sales revenue due to the FTX contagion. This very, very catastrophic event has led to people panicking, and as a result, they're flocking into hardware wallets, and they're even potentially moving money from centralized exchanges to decentralized exchanges like Uniswap. I mean, imagine that. So let's crack on without further ado. Also, if you're new here, guys, do smash the subscribe button. I will enter you to my $1,000 giveaway. You could potentially win some money. I want to change one of you guys' lives, and what better way to kick off the festive season? The winner will be announced on the 1st of December. So let's crack on with the 5 best wallets. I hope this video is somewhat insightful, educative, and if you like this content, share it with 5 of your friends. Help me grow at the same time. So let's do this. First one, it's going to be the Ledger wallet, of course. Ledger hardware wallets, by the way, there are no affiliate links on this video. I'm not making any commissions for talking about these. I'm just doing it to solely educate and expose you to some safety opportunities. So this is the smartest way to secure your crypto. This is one of the most popular, the Ledger. Ledger is beautiful, comes in different colors, as you can see, really nice, and it's very, very mobile, portable, and of course it's got everything that you need. So secure, simple, easy. You've got the Ledger Nano X, you've also got the Ledger Nano S Plus as well. So there's 2 different that you can choose from. Extremely safe, extremely secure, and probably one of the most user-friendly of them. So that's ledger.com. That's one of the hardware wallets. The next one is Secux. I don't actually know how you say this. It looks a bit different. It's slightly bigger and bulkier by the looks of it. I don't know if I like the aesthetics of this as much. But we can see this is another crypto wallet that we have here, the world's first NFT hardware wallet. So I don't know if you can actually store normal crypto here, with your private keys, but it looks like you can actually store NFTs here, and you can get a little like digital, I suppose, thumbnail or something of the NFT that you are storing. And I can actually see here on the account portfolio, you can hold Bitcoin and other cryptos. So it looks like you can hold NFTs, but you can also hold cryptos too. But it gives you a digital display, which is quite unique and a little bit different. So if you're the bougie kind that wants to sort of show off and have something that looks kind of cool and different, then the SecuX one could be quite cool for you. So that is SECUX if you do want to Google it. As I say, no affiliate links, not trying to make money out of these particular recommendations. The next one, we've got BitBox02. So the BitBox02 hardware wallet, this one's kind of cool. We can see an example here. It's plugged into a laptop. BitBox02, secure your crypto offline. So this is how you truly own your crypto, by moving it off exchanges into hardware wallets where you have your own keys, and basically you're responsible for your own funds. If you lose that, then you've lost your crypto, so you best hold on tight. Information stored online is vulnerable, of course, as we know. Safely store and manage your coins offline. So this is why it's very important. BitBox02, really cool. Another one, Shapeshift, the next frontier of crypto security. Protect your cryptocurrency, store your private keys offline, and safeguard your assets from hackers. And not just hackers, but also very dodgy owners of centralized exchanges. Yes, FTX, Sam Bankman-Fried, we are pointing our fingers at you. So there's another cool one. And of course, what we looked at earlier, the Ledger Nano S Plus. It's only 69 quid, guys. It's not a lot of money. I mean, if you can protect thousands of pounds, and I know it's not fun storing on hard wallets because you've got no liquidity, you haven't got immediate access, you can't convert, you can't send very quickly. If you see an opportunity in the market, you can't quickly be like, oh, I'm going to quickly convert X amount of this into this because I believe it's going to go up because of X, Y, Z. And I suppose that is a downside. But if you've got a long-term portfolio, you shouldn't really care too much anyway. You should have a trading portfolio, you should have a holding portfolio. And in my opinion, your holding portfolio should always be on a hard wallet. So 6-minute video. I hope this was somewhat insightful, guys. If you're new to the channel, get yourself into the Discord down below, by the way, because this is where we're looking at all the next 10 to 100x pre-sales. We did just have a few of them do really well. Doge, Battle Infinity. As you can see, we've got a pre-sale tab just here. So if you want to research those pre-sales, check the links down below. There's 4 different ones live at the moment, all with very unique utility, fundamentals, and purpose, all exploring different elements of crypto, such as the metaverse, play to earn, or even utility coins such as carbon offsetting programs. So that's the IMPT one. So have a look. 4 really big ones. FYI, the Dash to Trade is the one I'm most bullish on. So hope you enjoyed this video. Stay crypto safe. Do utilize these awesome hardware wallets. They've been made for a reason, to protect you all. And yeah, have a nice day. See you soon.